So this is a little bit of training for Nifty. So you can find the boards you've been added in on the left hand side here. And then when you click into your board, so I've clicked into the accounts board, you find the different parts of the board along the top. So to start with home. Home just gives you an overlook of all the things that you need to be doing and any files. Milestones is something that we can create. So if you complete a task, it then takes you on to the next task. That is a little bit more technical, and I haven't got into that yet. Tasks. So depending on how it's laid out, for this board, you've got your to-dos, so all the things you need to do. A monthly board, a quarterly board, and then done. And then another board with details in it, so it gives details and information. So what you can do is drag the board. So once you've done everything within a board, you drag it over to done, and you put it in the done board, so then it's out of the way and it's just the things you need to do. Okay. So within a board, each task is in a board. So within that board, you can set the due date, and so it might have a due date in there. You've got all your little subtasks for that task, and you just tick them off. And as you tick them off, they get completed and the bar fills out. So if you tick them all off, then you've got complete green, and you know it's been completed. In the task, you can put in a separate task, in the individual task, you can put files and documents, and you can also make comments. So, for example, I commented on the 2nd of Jan, is this finished yet? And that's for that particular task. Discussion board is the overall discussion board. So if you want to talk about anything within the accounts in general, this is where you'll do it. You just type in the discussion there to the person, and you can add them in as well. So I add the accounts team, and that tags them so they get an alert. Documents, so if you want to add any docs or make a document, you can make a Google document, spreadsheet, presentation within there. And files, if you want to upload any files relevant to the account, you can do it in here. Again, if you want to just upload a file relevant to a task, you can upload them into the separate box in their own board.